Hello, guys. Welcome to a new episode, Bold Prediction. In this video, now we are going to see some of the predictions of 2021 Survivor Series. Okay, there are 5 major matches, brand to brand matches in this year's Survivor Series. First, there is a traditional Survivor Series match between Team Raw and Team SmackDown men's team. So in Team Raw, we have Seth Rollins, Finn Balor, Kevin Owens, Bobby Lashley, and Austin Theory. In Team SmackDown, there is Drew McIntyre, Jeff Hardy, King Woods, Happy Corbin, and Sheamus. Actually, both teams looks very good. But in this match, we can clearly see that in both teams, there are some weak links also. So I hope that in both teams, either Seth Rollins or Bobby Lashley from Raw and from SmackDown, most probably Drew McIntyre will remain the last. And I hope that most probably Drew McIntyre might be the sole survivor and wins it for Team SmackDown. From Team Raw vs SmackDown in Women's Division, we have Bianca Belair, Rhea Ripley, Liv Morgan, Carmella, and Queen Zelina from Team Raw. From Team SmackDown, we have Sasha Banks, Shayna Baszler, Shotzi, Natalia, and Toni Storm. Both teams are very good, but here I hope either Shotzi or Sasha Banks or might be even Shayna Baszler will be standing last for Team SmackDown. And from Raw, I hope most probably Bianca Belair will remain in last, and most probably Bianca Belair might be the sole survivor and wins it for Team Raw. So from Women's Champion vs Champion, from Raw we have Becky Lynch, and from SmackDown we have Charlotte Flair. I hope Becky might come out victorious in this match. And for SmackDown, we have the Usos, and from Raw we have RK Bro. This match will be very interesting one. I hope so, and most probably the Usos will come out to be top because right now the Bloodline domination has been very, very wonderful and very strong. So hope most probably the Usos will win this match. In 25 men's battle royal match, that is it is very, very difficult to predict, but I have to do one prediction. Most probably from 25 men's battle royal, I hope either Jinder Mahal or AJ Styles might be victorious. Most probably, I hope that might happen. And the main match, WWE Champion versus the Universal Champion Big E versus Roman Reigns. This match might be an interesting one. Both are on their peak of the form. But I hope, once again, your tribal chief Roman Reigns will be victorious and get ready to acknowledge him. Yes, actually the domination of the Bloodline has been exceptional, and the SmackDown division has been gone very high rating just because of the tribal chief Roman Reigns. The Roman Reigns heel turn was absolutely a big success for WWE. So the SmackDown rating has been gone very high, and the Raw rating has become very low because the SmackDown is now dominating very well because of the tribal chief. So hope most probably the major champion of the SmackDown will be victorious, and Roman Reigns will be victorious, and most probably SmackDown will be victorious in this brand to brand matches by 3-2 margin, and finally SmackDown will win a Survivor Series over Raw after a long time. Most probably that will happen just because now the SmackDown rating has been overtaken the Raw ratings by a huge margin. So these are my predictions. Most probably, hope this might happen, may not also happen, but these are my prediction. Hope you would love this episode, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. More Raw and SmackDown videos will be continuously uploaded from every show. So don't forget to watch those videos also, and get ready to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.